the new and improved version 2.0 natural deodorant by Pedro. Real talk, I want to explain something. So we launched a natural deodorant last year, right? And at the time, I thought it was the best deodorant, natural deodorant on the market. But if I'm being completely transparent and honest, it didn't work as well or as long as I wanted it to, right? I wanted deodorant, if I put it on in the morning, right, I'm good till literally like the next day. And this deodorant was awesome, it was healthy, it didn't destroy your endocrine system, but it wasn't powerful enough. And so I went back to the drawing board. I went to my lab, I said, what can we do to like literally double the execution and the strength of the protection of the Pete and Pedro deodorant? And gentlemen, we tweaked a few ingredients and we have nailed it. We have officially launched the 2.0 version. This is the same incredible eucalyptus spearmint scent. It is amazing. It is still healthy for your body. It is still naturally derived, but it lasts and works literally like twice as long. If you tried the deodorant and it said super fresh on the label, that's how you know it's version 1.0. It was a great deodorant, right? It was amazing in terms of a natural deodorant, but I wasn't satisfied with the longevity and the protection that it offered, right? And so, like I said, we went back to the drawing board. The new 2.0 version just says fresh on the label. Guys, I'm telling you, if you're ready to upgrade your deodorant and not rub toxic chemicals under your pits and you want to be protected and smell amazing all day long, gentlemen, hit the link down below.